Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start dropshipping with Shopify Lite, complete guide step by step clearly. To start dropshipping with Shopify Lite, you need to create a Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and sign up for the Shopify Lite plan. Fill in your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to your Shopify dashboard. Next, you need to connect your online store to a dropshipping supplier. Consider using platforms like Oberlo, Spocket, or Sears to find products. Create an account with your chosen dropshipping supplier. Browse their catalog and select the products you want to sell. Import these products directly into your Shopify store. Once your products are imported, adjust the pricing to ensure a good profit margin. Now, you need to set up your payment processing. Go to the Settings tab in your Shopify dashboard and click on Payments. Choose a payment provider that suits your needs, such as PayPal or Shopify Payments. Follow the prompts to connect your payment account. After setting up payments, it's time to customize your online store's appearance. Go to the Online Store section in your dashboard and click on Themes. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand identity and install it. Once installed, click on Customize to make adjustments to your store layout. Add essential pages such as About Us, Contact Us, and Policy pages. Next, focus on shipping settings to meet customer expectations. Go to the Settings tab and click on Shipping. Set your shipping rates and regions based on your supplier's capabilities. After configuring shipping, ensure your store is ready for launch. Preview your store to check for any layout issues or broken links. Once satisfied, you can publish your store. Share your store link on social media and other platforms to attract customers. Consider running ads on Facebook or Instagram for increased visibility. Keep track of your sales and customer feedback regularly. Adjust your strategy based on what products are performing well. Continue to research trends and adapt your inventory accordingly. Remember, dropshipping requires persistence and a willingness to learn. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.